Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover files from a dead, corrupted, or inaccessible hard drive. We'll use the free command line version of PhotoRec, which comes with TestDisk. Sometimes a hard drive may stop opening in Windows. It may show as raw or display errors like you need to format the disk before using it. Before you format the drive and lose your important files, we can try recovering them using PhotoRec. PhotoRec can recover files from corrupted or formatted hard drives, damaged USB drives, and memory cards, and it works even if Windows cannot access the disk. Before we start the recovery process, we first need to download the tool. I've also added the direct download link in the description below. Download the Windows version. After the download finishes, you will get a zip file. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. After the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder. Inside this folder, you will see several files, including photorec_win.exe. This is the file we will use for the recovery process. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Launch PhotoRec. Navigate to the folder where you extracted TestDisk and PhotoRec. Double-click photorec_win.exe. This opens the command line version in a console window. It gives you more control and is often faster for deep recoveries. Step 2. Select the disk. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the dead or corrupted drive. Always check the size and model of the drive to make sure you selected the correct one. Choosing the wrong drive will scan the wrong disk. After you selected your drive, press Enter. Step 3. Choose partition or whole disk and file types. Select the partition you want to recover. If the partitions are not recognized, choose the entire disk. Before pressing Enter, we can choose which file types we want to recover. Step 4. Open File Type Options. Here you can select the types of files you want to recover, such as documents, images, videos, or compressed files. By default, all file types are selected. Changing this can save time and storage space. Use the arrow keys to navigate. Press S if you want to disable all file types. After you disabled all the file types, you can choose the file type you want recover by using the right arrow key. After selecting the file types you want, press B to save the settings. Then press Enter. Next, choose the file system type where the files were stored. Most of the time, you should choose Other, which includes FAT and NTFS file systems. Step 5. Choose Recovery Destination. Now choose the destination folder where the recovered files will be saved. It is very important to choose a folder on a different drive. Saving recovered files to the same drive you are scanning could overwrite the data you are trying to recover. Use the left and right arrow keys to move between folders. Once you select the correct folder, press C on your keyboard to confirm the destination. After confirming the file types and destination folder, PhotoRec will start the normal recovery process. It will scan the selected partition or disk and recover files using available file system information. Depending on the size and condition of the drive, this process may take some time. If the normal recovery does not recover all your files, you can use the brute force method. This method ignores the file system and scans every sector of the disk for known file signatures. This allows PhotoRec to recover files even from dead, formatted, or heavily corrupted drives. However, file names and folder structures may be lost. Step 7. Start brute force recovery. To start brute force recovery, repeat the last steps to select the disk and partition and also the file types you want to recover. Then go to Options. At the top of the PhotoRec menu, you will see that brute force is disabled. Change it to enabled. Then select a safe destination folder on another drive and start the scan. Depending on the size of the drive, this process can take several hours, but it may recover files that normal recovery cannot find. If this method helped you recover your files, let me know in the comments. And if you run into any issues during the recovery process, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to help. Also, tell me what type of drive you were recovering from: a hard drive, SSD, or USB drive. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.